Have you ever wondered how an AI system works? Well, here's a very simple explanation. So when we talk about AI ethics, what we're really talking about is the responsibility of humans who create AI systems to make sure that the AI aligns with human values. You see, AI systems learn from the data that we feed them. If that data reflects our biases, then the AI will also have biases. And biases are basically like stereotypes or prejudices that can lead to unfair or inaccurate predictions. For example, let's say you have a Pakistani friend who wants to get a loan from a bank. The bank uses AI to assess the risk of giving out a loan. Now, if the AI has a bias against Pakistanis, then your friend might be denied a loan, even if he's a responsible borrower. This is because the AI might have learned from historical data that people from Pakistan do unrepay their loans, which may or may not be true. But if it's not true, and your friend is a responsible borrower, then the AI is making a mistake. Another example is in the field of healthcare. If an AI system is used to diagnose patients, it might have a bias that leads to some diseases being misdiagnosed. This can happen if the AI is trained on data that is not diverse enough or representative of the population it's supposed to serve. And the problem with this is that AI systems are used to make decisions that affect people's lives in big ways. So if these systems are biased, it can have serious consequences. It can lead to people being denied opportunities or being treated unfairly. That's why it's so important to talk about AI ethics. We need to make sure that AI is developed and used responsibly. This means being aware of the potential biases in AI systems and working to mitigate them. It also means involving people from different backgrounds and perspectives in the development and use of AI. When we do this, we can ensure that AI is used fairly and that it benefits everyone. So what can you do to help? Well, first, you can subscribe to this channel to stay informed about AI and its potential impact on our society. You can also support organizations that are working to develop AI ethically and responsibly. You can always stay curious and keep learning about AI. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be part of the solution. This has been a very simple explanation. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.